Welcome to Quizrad, the best place for fun, interactive quizzes. In today's video, we'll explore smart saving strategies. Are you saving enough for your future? With 30 questions, you'll have 10 seconds to answer each one. This quiz will help you reflect on your current savings habits and learn strategies to maximize your savings, from automating transfers to using high-yield accounts. Whether you're just starting out or looking to improve your saving game, this quiz is perfect for you. Grab something to track your answers, and let's get started on making your savings smarter. But before that, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Quizrad in 3, 2, 1. Ready? Let's go! What is the best strategy to build an emergency fund? Save a small amount every paycheck until you reach your goal. Or save a large sum once a year. The answer is A. Save a small amount every paycheck until you reach your goal. How can you avoid spending your savings before reaching your goal? Keep your savings in a separate account and don't carry the card with you. Or keep your savings in your checking account for easy access. The answer is A. Keep your savings in a separate account and don't carry the card with you. Which of these savings habits helps you avoid living paycheck to paycheck? Pay all your bills first, then save whatever's left over? Or automate your savings so it comes out before you can spend? Yes, you got it. The answer is B. Can you guess the word by emoji? Yes, it's money. What's a smart way to boost your savings without noticing? Round up purchases to the nearest dollar and save the difference? Or wait for a windfall, then save a chunk of it? It's A. Round up purchases to the nearest dollar and save the difference? How should you approach saving for a vacation? Set up a dedicated savings account for your vacation and automate contributions. Or save money from leftover groceries and utility bills for your vacation? The answer is A. Set up a dedicated savings account for your vacation and automate contributions. Which is a better way to grow your savings for long-term goals? Keep your money in a standard savings account? Or invest in a diversified portfolio or retirement account? The answer is B. Invest in a diversified portfolio or retirement account. Did you know, if you save just $5 a day, you'll have $1,825 by the end of the year. And if you invest it with an average return of 7%, it could grow to over $25,000 in 10 years. Small daily habits can lead to big financial wins over time. Cool, right? Money magic through consistency. What should you do with small, unspent amounts from your budget each month? Spend them on something you don't need, or save them into a high-yield savings account? It's B. Save them into a high-yield savings account? Which saving strategy is ideal for a short-term goal like buying a new phone? Set up a monthly savings goal and keep the funds in a liquid, low-risk account. Or invest in long-term stocks, hoping for growth. Bravo! The answer is A. When is the best time to start saving for retirement? As soon as you start your first job? Or only after you've bought a home and have extra money? The answer is A. As soon as you start your first job? It's gift time! Ready to get a surprise gift? Choose a number from 1 to 3, and let's see what you win. If you have selected Gift 1, what's your current employment status? Are you employed, unemployed, or something else? Share with us, and we'll mention it in the next video. If you have selected Gift 2, sorry it's an empty box. Better luck next time. If you have selected Gift 3, what's the biggest goal of your life? Drop it in the comments and find your goal partner, someone who shares the same dream. What's a good way to stay on track with saving for a big goal? Track your progress monthly and adjust contributions if needed, or forget about it until the goal date approaches. It's A. Track your progress monthly and adjust contributions if needed. If you receive a bonus or extra income, what should you do first? Spend most of it on a luxury item, or set aside a percentage for savings and investments. Did you get this one right? Let us know in the comments. How can you save for multiple goals at the same time? Put all your savings in one account and hope for the best? Or open separate savings accounts for each goal and automate transfers? Yes, you got it. The answer is B. It's memory time. Remember the positions of these images. Okay, now tell me, this image is on which number? Yes, you are right! How does using a budget help you save more effectively? It limits your spending and helps you prioritize savings. Or it allows you to spend freely and save only when you remember. It's A. It limits your spending and helps you prioritize savings. What's a smart way to maximize savings while still enjoying life? Cut all fun activities to save money? Or budget for fun expenses while prioritizing savings goals? It's B. Budget for fun expenses while prioritizing savings goals. What should you do if you find yourself unable to save any money at the end of the month? Increase your income or reduce unnecessary expenses. Or continue spending as usual and hope your financial situation improves? Yes, you got it. The answer is A. Don't forget to comment your score at the end of this video. Make sure to like and subscribe to quizrad for more fun content and share it with your friends to help increase their knowledge. What's the benefit of having a high-yield savings account instead of a regular savings account? Higher interest rates help your money grow faster, or you get free access to a wider range of services. It's A. Higher interest rates help your money grow faster. Which method helps you save without much effort? Set up automatic transfers from checking to savings each month. Or try to save whatever you have left over after spending. It's A. Set up automatic transfers from checking to savings each month. What's the smartest way to save for retirement if your employer offers a match? Ignore the employer match and save on your own? Or contribute at least enough to get the employer match? It's B. Contribute at least enough to get the employer match. When should you start planning your savings for next year's taxes? At the end of the year, when you get your W-2? Or start planning early in the year to avoid surprises? It's B. Start planning early in the year to avoid surprises. True or false time? Is this statement true or false? Keeping money in a savings account is the best way to grow your wealth over time. Yes, you are right. It's false. While savings accounts are safe, their low interest rates often don't keep up with inflation, making investments like stocks or mutual funds better for long-term wealth growth. How can cutting out small luxuries benefit your savings? It's the best way to save for large purchases. Or it prevents you from enjoying life while saving? Did you get this one right? Let us know in the comments. How can you avoid dipping into your savings for non-emergencies? Keep savings accounts separate from your regular checking. Or use your savings account for everything, including daily purchases. It's A. Keep savings accounts separate from your regular checking. What should you prioritize if you have multiple savings goals? Choose the most important goal and focus on it first. Or split your savings evenly across all goals without a plan. It's A. Choose the most important goal and focus on it first. What's the best way to save for a large purchase like a car? Use a combination of savings and a manageable loan. Or wait until you can afford the entire purchase without financing. It's A. Use a combination of savings and a manageable loan. Would you rather be rich only in your 90s and very poor for the rest of your life? Or rich only in your 10s and very poor for the rest of your life? How can using an app help you save more effectively? Apps can automatically round up purchases to the nearest dollar and save the difference. Or apps make it harder to track your spending and savings. Yes, you got it. The answer is A, which is a better way to handle unexpected expenses. Take out a loan to cover them, or use your emergency fund to handle them. The answer is B, use your emergency fund to handle them. What's the best method for paying off debt while also saving? Focus entirely on paying off debt and ignore savings, or create a balance by contributing to savings while reducing debt. It's B. Create a balance by contributing to savings while reducing debt. Can you guess the odd one out? Yes, you found it! How can you make the most of small daily savings? Save spare change by rounding up every purchase and putting it in a savings account. Or ignore small savings because they don't add up. Yes, you got it. The answer is A. How should you save for a major life event like a wedding or a baby? Start saving early and allocate specific amounts each month. Or save only when you have extra money left over. Did you get this one right? Let us know in the comments. What's the advantage of keeping your savings in a liquid, accessible account? You can easily access your savings for emergencies, or it makes it harder to grow your savings with interest. The answer is A. You can easily access your savings for emergencies. What's the best way to ensure you stick to your savings goals? Track your progress regularly and adjust as needed. Or ignore your progress and hope you reach your goal. The answer is A. Track your progress regularly and adjust as needed. You've got the power. Take control of your finances with our expert tips and quizzes. How'd you do on this one? Let us know in the comments. Subscribe for more personal finance wisdom, budgeting hacks, and wealth building strategies. See you soon.